lat pull down, guys, it goes something like this. Alright, so you will going to do also this one 3 to 4 set, and of course repetition is up to 10 to 12 repetitions. After that, pwede nyong i-alternate, guys. Okay? Pwedeng isa lang muna. 1. Alright? So, pwede nyong gawin yung alternate pagka patapos na yung inyong set, no? Just to bring in extra intensity sa ating lat pull down, guys. Okay?